information about the city that we are in right now. And again, there's also the train. Here's the train right there. Oh, you can put your camera toward the train, okay? So there goes the train, it's leaving. Oh, look, what is here? Oh, yes, right there, you can see the plane. Oh, by the way, this is not a plane. This is actually a seaplane. This right here, we have the seaplane right here. It can even land on the water. It lands whenever it wants to. And like how I got here when the train was here. And this right here is the restaurant right here. Let me just bring right here the map. Let me just head towards the map. This right here is the map. Alright, see? See that, everyone? Here is the map right here. Over here we have Highway 400 and the hospital, a lot of variety of parkings available, parks, washrooms, and everything. And for here, you can visit parrysound.ca. You can even you can go to their website as well. So I hope you loved this video. So, by the way, my name is Adib Kabir, and thank you.